What's up YouTube, it's Nejc Filipič here, check out these guys. So right now I made the new Udemy course, it's called Twitch Streamer Advanced Guide to Professional Streaming. So I'm gonna put link in the description down below, you place it, enter, and teleport you to this site. So you have like preview, 3 minutes preview, how to create a Gmail account on Twitch. And we have Photoshop software, we have Photoshop and design, we have Streamlabs, how to put alerts and stuff like that. So usually this course, it takes 1 hour, so it's easy to learn. It's 30 euros right now. I might change, USD. I might change up and down, depends how good that Udemy will be. For now it's 30 US dollars. Hopefully you like it, guys. It's a small introduction. I'm gonna put link in the description down below, you can watch it as much as you want, but this is professional Twitch streaming guide. All inside, how to make a Twitch, how to put labels, boxes, donation bar, how to make PayPal links so people can donate, how to make subscribe, and all of this inside. Okay guys, my name is Nejc Filipič and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.